Hi, lovely people. How are you? Before I begin, it is raining extremely hard in New Jersey. It is lightning and thunder, and so if you hear any big booms, that's what it is. I had to redo this whole video because towards the end it was so loud that you couldn't even really hear me talk once I replayed back the video. So let's do this all over again. If you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing a fairly new subscription box called Boss Lady Swag. Now, this was sent to me free for review. The owner emailed me and asked me if they sent me this box, if I will review it. And of course, I told them absolutely. But I do honest reviews, and she was okay with that. So, this is a $35 a month lifestyle box. So, it's a little bit different from the beauty boxes that we do get. I also asked them if I can have a discount code for my subscribers, and she said sure. So my code is JustAnn, all together, in all lowercases, for 10% off your first box. And I don't get anything out of it. It is just for you guys. But I wanted you guys to get a little bit savings because $35 is a little expensive for a box. So I already know what's in there because, like I said, this is the second time doing this box. But let me read you on Cratejoy what it says this box is supposed to be, because I never heard of it before. So it just says a Boss Lady Swag Box is a subscription box for the boss ladies all over the world. This subscription box will make you feel empowered inside and out. Boss Lady Swag Box will feature skincare products, beauty products, personal growth products, health and wellness products, and any other boss swag we think our subscribers will love. So basically, this box is for like the independent woman, somebody that goes traveling, that, works, everything like that. And I think the theme is really good. I do like the idea. But I do have my pros and cons about this box. So let's just get started. Like I said, it is a $35 amount box, and you do get a card. This is July's box, 2018, so you do get a little card with it, and on here will say what everything is and the prices. So I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see. So we get a little makeup bag. It has a little tassel or whatever you want to put in here. And it says she carries her dreams wherever she goes. And I do think it is really, really cute. And it's like a light pink. I like the tassel thing. You open it up. It has like little hearts in it and little cloth. And I really do like this. I can't complain. And they say this is valued at, what are you valued at? $14. Okay. The next thing we got is a passport case to put your passport in. It says let's go, and it's like holographic. Really, really pretty. Like I said, this is for somebody that does the traveling. You put your passport in here, or you can put it in here actually, and then you can put like cards or anything that you have in there. And this would be, I guess if I went in early order, I would be able to know. This will be $12. This is a really pretty, nice, sturdy passport holder. So that's nice. The next thing we got is the tags for your luggage. This is a luggage tag set, and this is valued at $14. And again, you get a set of 3, and it's like holographic. So it says vacation mode, power trip, and excess baggage. It's really, really nice. That's nice because sometimes like you do forget to put this on your luggage so you can have like, tags on your luggage. So, all right. This is the best thing I like out of the box. This is like a little mug that says Boss Lady, and up here has like the lock and unlock to keep this sturdy. Right there is where you would drink out of it. I would basically probably put coffee or something in this, and this says $20. I don't know if I would pay $20 for this. It is quite expensive. It's just like a regular mug or but I don't know, I'm cheap that way. I mean, I'll pay $50 for an eyeshadow palette, but like something like this, I'm like $20, or like a nice shirt or something. I'm like $20 for a shirt. Now, I'll go to Walmart. I'm very cheap when it comes to certain things, but it's so funny. Are you guys like that? Leave it down in the comments. Are you like that, but like when it comes to makeup, it's like $50. Okay, I'll get it. Let me know in the comments below. I think that's funny. Then, of course, we have a bath bomb, and this is for like when you're working hard and you want to like relax in the bathtub. And I do like bath bombs, and this is $4, and this is just like a marble, green and white marble. Okay. The next thing we got, now this was in like plastic, but like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this video, and this is like a little notepad. And when you open it up, it has like little dots and just like regular lined paper. I would probably make a grocery list or something in here, or like maybe different ideas for the YouTube, what kind of videos I would like. I feel like there's like a piece of hair or something on me. And so this would be, let's see. This is, it says $10. I don't know if I would pay $10 for this either. I don't know. I wish it came with like a pen or something. That would be nice. A pen or a pencil, preferably a pen. A nice stylish pen that you could like put up here or something. That would be really cool with this. But $10 alone for this, I don't know if I would pay that. And last but not least, you got 2 of these Skinny Pop popcorn cakes. For 2 of these is $3, and it says, take this delicious maple brown sugar snack on the go with you for only 50 calories a cake. And maybe that's why I'm a little overweight, because I like everything bad for you, like butter, sugar, salt, bring it on, you know. I have tried these before, not this flavor, maple brown. I mean, I don't care for them. But this is nice to take when you're traveling. So if you get hungry, you can have a nice little snack. But Mama needs more than this for a snack. So when I added everything up, it came to $77. So let's recap. So we have the little snackies. We have the little notebook or notepad. We have the bath bomb. We have the luggage tags, which are really nice. We have the passport case, which is nice. It is summertime. I feel like there's like hair or something on me. We have the like makeup case or whatever you want to, you know, put in here. And we have the Boss Lady mug. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth $35? Would you pay that monthly? I do know if you get like the 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, it is cheaper the more that you get the package deal. And you can use my code JustAnn in all lowercase, which I'll leave down below for 10% off. So if you get it monthly, that'll save you, what, $3.50. So I don't know. I don't think this would be a box for me, only because I'm a stay-at-home mom. And I don't do a lot of traveling. I don't work, you know. So I don't think I would get this for me. But I think this is a great idea for them people that like that work and, you know, do a lot of traveling. I think it's great. The concept is great. But do I think it's worth $35? That's the question. I don't think it is, but I could be just spoiled with other subscription boxes that I get that is a lot cheaper. For instance, BoxyCharm is only $21 a month, and you get guaranteed over $100. I've already got over $150 of value in that box. Ricky's Cold Crushes is $14, and this month it was valued at $68, almost $70, and you're only paying half the price that you're getting for this, because this is $35 and you're only getting $77. So not even, you know, it's a little bit over half the price you're getting. But I mean, I can find this cheaper for $10. I don't think it's worth $10. In my humble opinion, it's just my opinion. I mean, you can get makeup bags for like $3. I mean, these are really nice. I don't think I'd pay $20 for this. You can get some at Walmart for like $3, $4. And bath bombs, I mean, what is it, $3 or $4? All right, you know. But like I said, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? And I do want to thank you for sending me this box. I really appreciate it, for giving me the opportunity to open up and review it. Let me know in the comments below. And there I go, blurry again. Why do I keep getting blurry? Made in China. But yeah, let me know. And if you are new to my channel, I do have a 5K giveaway going on. Why am I'm getting mad. Okay. Let's see. There we go. I do have a 5K giveaway going on right now. It is over, I believe, on the 20th, so we just have a couple days left. So make sure you enter that. I will leave it in the cards above and also down below. So check that out. A lot of people ask me, you have to go to my 5K giveaway, which I will leave it down below. In that video, in the description bar, you will see a link to Gleam. You click on that, and that's how you enter the giveaway. But guys, we are under 100 away to 15 grand. I can't believe it. In less than a month, we like tripled it almost. So I am so excited, and I want to thank everybody for all my new subscribers, all of my old subscribers, for all the support that you have given me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And leave a comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of this box? And I'll also leave some videos right here if you want to see more of me. And until my next video. Bye.